Cheddar-Jalapeno quick bread. In this video, I'm preparing this recipe with buttermilk, but you could also use beer. Both versions are quite delicious. Here's what you'll need to prepare this recipe. In a mixing bowl, combine the flour. I used a combination of whole wheat pastry flour and all-purpose, along with the sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Next, add the chives or green onions and the minced jalapeno and give this mixture a good stir. You want to add the chives and the jalapeno to the dry ingredients rather than the wet to help keep them from sinking to the bottom of the dough. Once that is thoroughly mixed, add the cheese. In a separate bowl, combine the buttermilk, eggs, and some melted and cooled butter. Add the buttermilk mixture to the flour mixture and stir until no dry streaks of flour remain. You will have a somewhat thick and shaggy dough. Preparing this with buttermilk. If you make it with beer, your dough will be more batter-like. It won't be quite as thick or shaggy. Transfer the mixture to your desired baking pan. You can use a standard loaf pan. That would be a 9.5 by 5-inch pan or an 8-inch square pan. Lightly grease the pan and then spread the batter evenly into the pan. Bake at 350 degrees for 60 to 75 minutes. Let the bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes and then invert and finish cooling on a wire rack. This bread is best served slightly warm the day that it's baked, but leftovers will keep for a couple of days and just toast them before serving. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.